Primus Online is a convenient, secure, and easy-to-use foreign currency payment and reporting system. Let me show you how it works. Meet Henry. Henry needs to pay his company's overseas suppliers in their local currency, monthly. Henry pays yen to his Japanese sake supplier and euro to his French Bordeaux wine supplier. Sometimes Henry has to change his existing supplier's bank information or add new supplier's bank details. Henry also needs visibility into his international payments for reporting purposes. Managing international payments can be a real hassle and consume a lot of Henry's valuable time if his company doesn't have the right tools. Henry needs to buy the foreign currency and ensure that all of the banking information is correct so that the funds deliver quickly to his vital overseas suppliers. Henry needs a fast, convenient, and secure online tool to make buying foreign currency and sending international payments easy. Henry needs Primus Online. With Primus Online from Tempus, Henry can quickly and easily buy foreign currency and send it to his overseas suppliers with just a few clicks. After logging on, Henry inputs his payment details and clicks Add Payment. He then reviews the yen and euro payments he just entered. Henry gets the rates of exchange by clicking on Add Rates and Review Payments. A handy countdown clicker gives Henry 45 seconds to submit his order with the current rates of exchange. Henry clicks on Submit Payments to send his payments to Tempus. Once Henry submits his order, he immediately gets a confirmation and is done. It's as easy as that. Easy, convenient, secure, and offering competitive rates. That's why clients like Henry love Primus. Now, if Henry needs to add a new Rhone wine supplier's bank information or edit his Japanese sake supplier's bank details, he can easily do that within Primus too. Helpful Primus prompts will even remind Henry if SWIFT or IBAN information is not complete. Primus also gives Henry the convenience of running on-demand reports by single transaction, by date range for individual beneficiaries, or by date range for all his beneficiaries. Primus is secure, convenient, flexible, and easy to use. Call your personal Tempus consultant today to get set up on Primus now.